Welcome. Today, I'll show you exactly how to remove a reaction from a message in a chat on X, formerly known as Twitter, using your PC with the latest update. If you've ever accidentally reacted to a message or just want to tidy up your chat, this guide will help you do it quickly and easily. First, open your preferred browser and go to x.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look for the messages icon on the left sidebar and click on it. This will take you straight to your inbox, where you can see all your conversations. Next, select the chat where you want to remove your reaction. Scroll through the conversation until you find the exact message you reacted to. Take your time if it's a long chat, there's no rush. Once you've found the message, you'll see your reaction displayed right below it. Now, simply click on the reaction. A small menu or pop-up will appear, showing your selected emoji. Here comes the important part. Look for the option labeled Undo. Click on Undo, and just like that, your reaction will be removed from the message. The emoji will disappear, and the chat will look as if you never reacted at all. That's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you can easily manage your reactions and keep your conversations clean and clear. This feature is especially handy if you want to avoid misunderstandings or just prefer a more organized chat history. If you found this walkthrough helpful, consider sharing it with friends who might be new to X or anyone who wants to stay up to date with the latest features. Thanks for watching and enjoy your improved messaging experience.